We aren't letting failed hobbits. We aren't letting the failed internet get us down, are we?
Yeah, I'll give you the Fellowship of the Ring.
Well, actually, this is the Desolation of Smog. This is number 2 in the Hobbit. But we can watch Lord of the Rings once we get the Hobbit done.
To the Hobbit done.
Yeah,
The Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring.
that's it. So we'll have us a good Saturday night and popcorn. And forget the storms. We got a DVD player. We'll watch some cool stuff. Well, just for fun, I figured I'd come out here and take a picture, but I figured it'd be much cooler to have a video as the Huskies go storming by. They don't know what to think. They're loving it. Woohoo! Yeah, visibility went from about half a mile to about 100 yards. Yeehaw! It is snowing. What do you think, girls? Tyro, Fluff Butt. Welcome to Winter Wonderland. Lynn is like, yeah, it's snowing. I don't see this at all. Woot! Ready? Oh,
That's bright.
that is bright.
I can see it. Oops.
Open the door.
Open the door. Did you say open the door?
Look.
I can footprints.
Woohoo!
The weather. Sinister snow day.
Tyro, be cool.
The weather.
Those girls are playing. You get stomped again.
The weather is sunny or not.
I think not. Well, it's sunny.
Or not.
You just can't see it. Go get in your crate, Tyro. What do you think about all that, eh?
Yeah.
That's some snowing, eh?
Wow.
Do you want to build a snowman? You probably can't build it with this snow. All right, Sammy Sam, it is time to make the donuts.
Making the what?
Oh, make the cookies.
Oh. That's not a donuts.
Yeah, that's
it's
not.
a cookies.
You're right, it's cookies. Oh, and we need the, that's right, we need the special cutter.
Special cutter?
That's right. Grandmother has a
Heart.
heart-shaped cutter for Valentine's Day. That's right. Are we ready to make some cookies?
Yes.
Well, then it's time for
Or
what?
it's time for Valentine's Day special.
Alrighty. On high speed and go. Alright, cookie cake in the oven so we can make heart-shaped cookies after Sammy kills the rest of the batter. Yummy! It's mine.
No, it's mine.
Mine.
Mine?
That's the backyard. They went out. and came back in. What are we gonna do with these? Oh. You gonna decorate them? Alright. Here, I'll do it. Pop it out. Okay, now hold on. Before you do anything, just squeeze a little out so that you see what happens. See, that's pretty big, right? Yeah? That's going to be a pretty big line unless you stretch it out. See what I'm doing? Look down. See how I'm taking just a little bit and just kind of stretching it out? So I haven't even squeezed any more out yet. I'm just stretching it out if I want to make a small line. But if I squeeze this out, look. Can you squeeze it? It's going to come out a big line, just like that. Okay? You get right in front of the camera. I heart you. Ta-da! The other one's just a blob of I heart you.
Oh.
Still yummy though.
Still yummy.
I think I'll make me one of those. Are those both yours?
Yes.
They're kind of fluffy. They're not like a cookie.
They're
They're not
like,
really thick,
They're not really.
but they're good. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day.
And what wouldn't be complete without the holy crap blizzard report? Dogs went out. They're out there somewhere, I'm sure. Yep, there's Tyro trying to extricate himself from a mound. Meanwhile, the Huskies are like, mush, mush, it's playtime. Ah, what's some snow? Finally, some blowing snow. We didn't think you guys knew what that was. It's really snow, guys. Finally. Like almost half as Tyro deep. Look at that. Crazy. Well, look at that. It's a Valentine's Day smorgasbord. Root beer, blue cookie monster floats, and root beer orange floats. Love you, Sammy Sam. Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
You like your Snoopy?
Hi. I love you too, Snoopy. Mwah.
So, as we can see, snow drifts over a foot, maybe two. And I got to dig out the car just to get to it.